All right. Hello there, everyone. We're getting ready for the big debate tonight. Well, a lot of people are asking me, like, do you think this debate is going to affect the market at all? I don't know. I think if Trump wins, though, which I think he probably will, this stock here, this DJT might move up just on the hype. I mean, it's like a media driven stock, I guess you can call it. All right. So, anyway, so S&P was up a little bit today, but nothing really to write home about, I guess. Hmm, Relatively okay action here. We cleared yesterday's closing price. All right. And we talked about how financials and healthcare, well, we got to keep an eye on that. So this is kind of negative action here in the financials. But when we talk about our price levels, I mean, look at where today's low trade was, right? Same level that was resistance over here. So resistance can turn into support. It's very common in markets. People that sell over here regret doing so if the price goes higher. And when the price comes back in, they go to buy their shares back, right? So that's financials. And then we'll take a look at the healthcare sector over here. Yeah, kind of going sideways, I guess, here. Not really too much to talk about there. And we can talk about our technology sector. So this is like pretty important thing to watch right here. This will tell you which way the broader market's going to go. If XLK gets above 210, we've been talking about this level too. I mean, these important price levels are just, they're there, right? I mean, you don't need to I mean, it's pretty obvious, right? So resistance became support. Now support has become resistance. So if this stalls out, I don't think the market's going anywhere. And then after a few days, it'll probably start to go down. Some of the sellers who create this resistance are going to start to undercut each other. But if we get above 210, maybe we get to say 212, 213, that'll bring the broader market higher. All right, just let me take a quick look here at oil. Ooh, yeah, we've been talking about this. Oil heading lower. Again, here's where we get support at a former support level, right? So you've got to know where these price levels are. We go into this massive sell-off, and where did oil find a support for 4 days? Right here, the same price that was the bottom back here. So I don't know what this is telling us. Maybe an economic slowdown. I mean, it's a pretty big drop just over the last, like, say, 2 or 3 weeks. All right, let's just look at our big three here: Apple, Nvidia. Yeah, so you got to watch this level here for Apple. Every day over the last week, when it got down to around here, 217, it reversed. And notice how this was resistance that turned into support. And here, right, resistance turns into support. Yeah, it's nice move on Microsoft today. This is probably where most of the market's strength came from. I don't really see too much any other places. Yeah, so, and look at where Nvidia closed, right on this, right on this level that's been short-term resistance over here. All right, so I guess that's about it for now. Yeah, I mean, I guess if there's one takeaway, just keep an eye on that XLK and the 210 level. Remember, if we don't get above that over the next few days, that's going to be bearish for the broader market. But if we do get above it, it's going to be bullish. It's like the whole market is kind of going to be riding on this like one kind of thing there. Okay, thanks everyone. I'll see you soon.